Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely blueberry chia pudding. It's really lovely purpley colour. It's difficult to pick up on camera, but it's full of blueberries and goodness. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely blueberry chia pudding a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. For my blender, you just pop everything straight in the cup and then blend it there. So I'm going to pop about a cup of milk into there. You can use any milk you like. And we'll add into that blueberries, about a cup of blueberries. And then add your chia seeds. I've gone for 1/4 of a cup. And now it's really up to you with the lemon. Go for as much of the zest and juice as you would like. I've kind of done a good portion of the lemon zest, and I'm going to add a bit of juice too. It's up to you how much juice. I've just kind of cut a small wedge off the end and just adding that in. Now, to balance the sourness of the lemon, you can add in some sweetness. You can add a little bit now, or you can blend it, have a little taste and see if it's sweet enough to your liking, and then just add it in there to taste, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get it on to blend now. So I'm just going to pop the lid on. Perfect, and now we'll blend it. And here we go. And there you go. I just love the purple color of this. It's just beautiful. And now we'll just pour it out. So just pour it into your serving bowl of choice or dish of choice. I'm using Blue Dish for my blueberry chia pudding. See, it's already kind of thickening up. There we go. Now just smooth out the top and pop it into the fridge for a few hours or overnight to thicken. And I'll show you once we've got a lovely thickened chia pudding. So my blueberry chia pudding has been in the fridge for the better part of a day. I've popped some more blueberries on top and it's just such a lovely purpley colour. And if we take a look inside, you'll see that the pudding has thickened up beautifully. Oh, look at that beautiful chia pudding with the blueberries. It just makes such a lovely sweet treat snack, or you could have it for breakfast as well. But this year I'm sharing all kinds of desserts, so I actually made this first thing this morning, and now I'm going to enjoy it as an afternoon sweet treat. It's just packed full of flavor and sweetness and goodness and completely guilt-free. But that is the video for today for this lovely blueberry chia pudding packed full of flavor. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.